In Nigeria today is because of the Obidient movement. One name who stands for hope, who stands for promise. His name is Peter Obi. Nigeria is that country which bad governance has denied progress. And I'm telling you, this is coming to an end. Labour Party that you see is that party which has decided to unite all of Nigeria and tell us that all Nigeria is ours. We can aspire to be anything in Nigeria. Peter Obi is that exemplary leader who fought for 3 years, who changed Nigerian political history that no other politician has done. Peter Obi, he is that shining star. He is that shining star who governed for 8 years. Did not borrow a naira, left behind 75 billion naira for his state, refused to sign the law for him to collect a naira from his state. This record, I tell you, nobody can match it, and nobody is preparing to match it. That is why 9 years afterwards, Peter Obi is coming back. Not for Anambra's sake, but for Nigeria. Anybody, in fact, let me put it this way, whoever is responsible for bringing what Nigerians have met in the last 8 years, we should get apologies. We should get compensation from that individual. Such group of persons must not come and stand in front of us in the name of rallies. I'm telling you this. Anybody who stands in front of you to tell you that Nigerian security has improved, he does not mean well for Nigeria. The people who are going out in Nigeria now to say that they have improved your economy, while you pass long queues at the ATMs and in the filling stations, while you and your loved ones are scared at night in your houses, while you cannot travel in your own country, those people do not mean well for you. I tell you something, the meaning of President Peter Obi is that Nigeria has united. There is nothing we need now in Nigeria like coming together. We have come together to do things differently. Only the Obidient movement, only Obi Baba-Ahmed are doing things differently. Only us tell you the truth. Only us tell you to open your eyes. Only us tell you to unite. Peter Obi is that Nigerian politician who dares to say, do not vote me because of where I'm from. Vote me because I am from Nigeria. And he is going to work for Nigeria. Listen, from the day you hear this, President Peter Obi of Nigeria, from that day, we shall stop the killing and start the healing. From that day, we shall stop the stealing and start the keeping. We shall stop the slide and start the climb of the Nigerian society. I invite you to calm down. I invite you to listen to a soft, calm, sensible voice. I invite you to a voice full of wisdom, the character that you can trust, the commitment that you can feel, the competence that you have felt. Please calm down and listen to this international mega superstar called the incoming President Peter Obi of Nigeria. Welcome, His Excellency, the man with the 5 C's: competency, character, capacity, compassion, the president in waiting, and the president in waiting.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.